Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Animatrix. Today we're diving into something really exciting, luxury logo animation with edit tutorial. So let's jump right in. Whether you're working on a personal project or client work, a well-animated logo can elevate your brand identity to the next level. You can download this project for free. Check out the link in description given below. Also, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe our channel to stay tuned for regular animation updates. Let's get started with the edit tutorial.
Lights ignite, shadows fade as the lights ignite. Colors burst into the night. Colors burst into the night. Colors burst into the night. Shadows fade as the lights ignite. Shadows fade as the lights ignite. Shadows fade as the lights ignite. Colors burst into the night. Colors burst into the night. Colors burst into the night. Shadows fade. Shadows fade. Shadows fade as the lights ignite. Colors burst into the night. Colors burst into the night. In the dark we find our way, guiding us to everywhere. We are lost in mystery lights. Feel the pulse, it feels so right. In the dark we find our way. In the beats we'll always stay. Through the haze we're running free, chasing dreams of what could be. Every step a journey new, finding place will always stay. In the beats we'll always stay. Through the haze we're running free, chasing dreams of what could be. Every step a journey new, finding place will always stay. Through the haze we're running free, chasing dreams of what could be. Every step a journey new. Through the haze we're running free. Shadows fade as the lights ignite. Shadows fade as the lights ignite. Through the haze we're running free, chasing dreams of what could be. Every step a journey new, finding place will always stay. Hearts are racing, time stands still, flowing with an endless thrill. In these lights we lose control, feel the rhythm in our soul.
That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed editing this logo animation with me. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more design and animation tutorials. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.